Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today, the day has finally come. If you've been watching this in order that I've been uploading them, this is the final queen left in my 6 The Musical Queen makeup tutorials. I'm very sad this is coming to an end. I've really enjoyed doing this. This started off with just me doing a bit of a makeup test and tutorial for Anne Boleyn because I planned to cosplay her, and then everyone wanted to see the rest of the queens, and now here we are at the end. So this is the look that I'm doing today, inspired by Anne of Cleves. I have gone slightly kind of more grunge punk tones with this, as I see her as kind of the more grungy, punkier kind of queen. So that's kind of what I've done today. So I've taken how I would normally do kind of like a grunge kind of eye, but I've done it a bit more, I can't think of the word, like kind of cleaned up a bit, not having it quite as messy and like kind of unblended as how I normally would do a grunge eye. But that is kind of the inspiration behind this look today. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. So to start off with this look, I'm taking my James Charles palette and I'm taking the color Punch Me, which is just a simple kind of tan brown, and I'm putting that into my crease. I'm now taking the shade Rusted, which I guess you can describe as a rusty orange, and I'm putting that over the shade Punch Me. Now getting the shade B, which is a yellow, I'm just going to be blending that on the edges of where we put Rusted and Punch Me, just to kind of blend it up and fade it out. Now on a flat packer brush, I'm getting the shade You're Kidding, which is the bright red in the palette, and I'm kind of densely pushing that onto my eye to really deposit the color down. Then getting a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to be blending that up into the colors that I have into my crease. I'm now going into the shade Benny, which is a deep brown, and I'm going to use a little pencil brush, and I'm just kind of slightly going to be putting that near my lash line, kind of like if I was lining my eyes with it, but doing it very softly just so it's not quite a harsh line, it's nice and blended, as I'm not going to be using any liquid liner for this look. Just going back with that blending brush that I used to blend out the red before, as it still has a little bit of the product on it, I'm just going to be blending out that shade Benny just so it's blends a bit better into the red and isn't quite a harsh line. Then going back in with the orange and the yellow from before, I'm just going to be blending them down onto my lower lash line now. And also with a bit of the red. And then once again with Benny on that pencil brush, using it on my lower lash line as well. Now getting my black eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to be tightlining and lining my eyes. Now on another little pencil brush, I'm actually going to be getting it first and spraying it with some setting spray, and then putting it into the color Sister, which is a nice kind of sparkly rosy pink color, and just using that to put on to highlight my inner corners and also my brow bone. Now just putting a bit of mascara on. For lashes today, I'm using these Chi Chi lashes, and this is in the style Giselle. For my lips today, I'm taking a brown liner and I'm going to be lining them with that. And now I'm taking this Revolution Makeup liquid lipstick, and this is just a red. I don't think it actually has a shade name, it's just a red one. And I'm going to be putting that on over top. And then lastly, for highlight today, I'm taking my Chi Chi Iridescent Glow Precious Stones highlighter, and I'm going to be taking the shade Rose Quartz, which is this really nice rose goldy highlight. And this is the final look. Like I said at the start of the video, I did want to do Anne of Cleves look to be slightly more kind of grungish and punkish, because that's how I see her. I see her more of the grunge sort of punk queen, so that's what I went for with this look. And this is also, sadly, if you've been watching this series in the order that I've been uploading it, this is the final queen's look, and I'm very sad for this to be coming to an end. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing this series. But if you'd like to check out any of the other queens looks that I've done, I'll leave a playlist linked for you below. And honestly, if you've got any other kind of musical theatre or anything like that makeup looks that you'd like me to do, let me know, because like I said, I've really enjoyed doing this. But as always, if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.